Assalamualaikum and a very good morning to my Form 1 students. So we are going to continue with the last subtopic for chapter 4, relationship between ratios, rates and proportions with fractions, decimals and percentages. Okay? So as you know that ratios, rate and proportions are closely related with those three components which are fractions, decimals, and percentages. So we are going to see how are we going to relate or connect between those two components. Okay, so we're going to straight away jump to the examples. Okay, in a class, the ratio of the number of students who wear spectacles to the number of students who do not wear spectacles is 1 to 3. Find the percentage of students who do not wear spectacles. Okay, so basically, what we can do is when you are given the ratio, you know that okay, you have the ratio, right? 1 to 3. Okay, so actually you can plus the ratio. Why you will need to plus? Because if you plus the ratio, you will get uh the total of the whole quantity lah. Okay, so if you plus the ratio, you will get 1 plus 3 is equals to 4. So automatically, the number 4 here will be the denominator. Denominator, okay? Because we can relate ratio with fraction, right? Okay. So now we want to find the percentage of the students who do not wear the spectacle in the class. So the number one here represent the students who wear spectacles. Dia pakai spec macam ni. Okay. Dan yang tiga ni do not wear the spectacles. Betul ke spec cikgu ni? Kan? So now you just take the value over here 3. You put over and we take the denominator here 3 over 4 like this. Okay. Now since the question asks for percentage, so what you need to do is you just multiply it with 100 lah. So you will get the answer. 75% students yang tak pakai spec lah. Done. It is known, number 2, it is known that 35% of the hard disk of a computer has been filled with data. Find the ratio of the capacity that has been filled with data to the capacity that has not been filled with data. Okay, we know that the total percentage berapa. Semua orang tahu kan total percentage tu berapa, betul tak? We know that the total percentage is 100%. Okay, right. Dia beritahu kat situ 35% of the hard disk of a computer has been filled with data. So kita tahu one quantity kat sini, kita tahu satu ratio dekat sini. Find the ratio of the capacity that has been filled with data to the tu dia punya apa? Keyword. The keyword for what? The keyword for ni. Kalau dalam ratio kan, colon sign tu. So if you want to write the ratio, filled with data dengan not been filled. Not been filled. Okay, so kita tahu this one is 35. And how to find the other one? We take the total percentage, then we minus with 35. So 100 minus 35 is 65. Okay, and we know that the ratio can be simplified. So macam mana kita nak simplify ni? Senang je. Kita pergi kat calculator ni. Kita terus buat dalam pecahan macam ni. 35 bahagi 65 macam tu. Nanti kita akan sama dengan there you will get the simplified ratio. So the answer is 7 to apa tadi? 13. And you are done. Okay? Boleh? So how do you determine the percentage of a quantity by applying the concept of proportion? So kita flashback balik, the proportion is a relationship that states that two ratios are equal. A proportion is a relationship that states the two ratios are equal. So we're going to use the concept of proportion to determine the percentage of a quantity. Let's see example here. Determine the percentage of each of the following quantities by applying the concept of proportion. Tengok A pula 14 out of 56 students completed their homework in 1 hour. What is the percentage of the students who had completed their homework in 1 hour? Okay. Of course, kita boleh pakai cara yang straightforward, betul tak? Kita boleh pakai 14 out of 56. Kita darab terus dengan 100, betul tak? Kita akan dapat apa tu? 14 out of 56 multiply by 100. Yes, we can use this method. You will get 25% straight away, right? Now, tapi kita nak apply kita punya concept of proportion. Okay, so kita kena ingat macam manakah cara dia. Right, macam ni Kita buat macam ni, dua side kat sini. Okay, kita tahu yang, okay, so dekat bawah ni adalah dia punya total students. Total students kan. So kalau total students, kalau kita nak relate dengan percentage, mestilah total kan kesemua kan. So total students is 100%. Okay. So atas ni is the students who completed their homework in 1 hour. Students completed their homework in 1 hour. Okay. So now we want to find what is the percentage, because we don't know, that's why we put X. So now we have this relation. Kita tulis balik because we want to put the value. X over 100 is equals to, you know, the total students completed their homework in 1 hour is 14. So we put 14 here and we put 56 down here. So kita boleh pakai cross multiplication method. So we put the arrow here like this. Okay. Now when you multiply, you will get 56x equals to 1400. Now when you divide the 1400 with 56, 1400 divide with 56, you will get the same answer, which is 25. Okay. So of course you can use this method, tapi cikgu nak stress out the concept of proportion, so that's why cikgu explain juga the second method ni. But in the end you will get the same answer. Contoh lah apa soalan seterusnya. A class has 45 students, 18 of them are girls. What is the percentage of girls? So sama je. We have the total students kat bawah ni 45, right? So 45. So 45 mestilah related dengan 100%. And you want to find the percentage of girl, letak X kat sini. Then is why we put 18. So as usual lah, you tarik sini, sis. Semongkok, you will get 1800 equals to 45x. Then you will get find the value of x by dividing 1800 with 45. 1800 you divide with 45. You will get the answer 40%. Right? Simple. I leave the C for you. Number 2. Okay. The shoe factory outlet is having a sales promotion in conjunction with the school holidays. A pair of shoes with the original price 45%. You ada kasut sini. Okay. Dijual original price is 45 ringgit. Then dia bagi discount tu. Dia bagi discount sebanyak 25%. Okay. By applying the concept of proportion. Alright. So, kita tulis dulu dia punya persamaan. Okay. This is the original price. Okay. Dan atas ni adalah dia punya sale kan. Seal. Okay. So, ini dia punya percentage dan ini dia punya discount. Ni total lah. Asal. Okay. Berapakah harga asal dia? RM45. Okay. The question asks you, determine the amount of consumer could save when he buys. Maknanya dia nak cari berapa nilai pengurangan harga kasut tersebut. So this one you put X. Okay. And this one is a total percentage macam biasa 100% and the discount is 25%. So applying the concept of proportion, tap, you will get 100x equals to 45 times 25. Cikgu tak tahu, tapi calculator tahu. 1125. Okay. 1125. So the answer for x is equals to RM 11 ringgit and 25 cent. So this is the value yang consumer could save. Okay. Boleh. Now, how do you solve problems kat sini Now, the table shows the monthly rental rates and the deposits required when renting apartment. Dia bagi dua type of apartment, ada 2 room and a 3 room. And then the rental rate dia, for the 2 room dia, of course dia murah sikit lah, 450 sebulan. Dan 3 room is 550 a month. Now, each of the room required a deposit. So for the 2 room, 1 month deposit required, and for the 3 room 2 months deposit is required. Okay, so dekat yang bilik yang 2 room ni Ben duduk, dekat bilik 3 room ni Farid duduk. Okay, now A, find the ratio of the initial payment made by Ben to the initial payment made by Farid. So kita settlekan Ben dulu. So mula-mula dia kena bayar harga rental rate sebulan tu dengan deposit 1 bulan. So 450 you plus with another 1 month rent to 450, you akan dapat RM 900 kan. Then Farid pula RM 550 tambah dengan, nampak tu 2 bulan kan, so you have to 2 times 550. Berapa tu? 2 times 550, then you plus another 550 tu. Dia akan dapat 1650 ya. 1650. So how to write the ratio? 900 to 1650. Macam mana kita nak simplify? Senang saja. Bentukkan dia dalam pecahan. 900 over 1650. Tekan equal. Terus dapat jawapan 6 to 11. Voila. Simple as that. Now, the monthly salaries of Ben and Farid are 3,750 and 5,000 respectively by applying the concept of proportion. Macam biasa, determine the percentage. Okay. Kita tengok Ben dulu Okay. Bawah ni adalah dia punya 3,750. Dia punya gaji. 3,750 dan 3,750 is related to berapa percentage? 100%. Sebab dia tak pakai lagi. Itu total gaji dia sebulan. Okay, so kita nak cari what is the percentage of the monthly rental. So monthly rental dia bayar bulan-bulan berapa? Untuk rumah 450 Soalan tanya monthly rental bukan initial. Kalau initial baru kita masuk deposit kan. Tapi since the question asks for the monthly rental, we just take the monthly punya payment lah, 450. And this one we put X lah. Okay. Dan macam biasa kita buat cross multiplication. Okay, this one we get 45,000 This one equals to 3750x. So in order to get x, kita kena bahagi lah. 45,000 divided by 3750. 45,000 divided by 3750. So that is the percentage. 12% sahaja gaji. Daripada gaji dia. Okay. That is for Ben. Now we move with Farid pula. Now Farid punya gaji is 5,000. Dan dia punya monthly payment is 550. Then this one kita letak Y pula lah. Nanti kau confuse kan. Then this one is 100% also. So 55,000 equals to 5,000Y. So Y is equals to 55,000 bahagi dengan 5,000 gaji dia. Banyak juga gaji dia. Dapatlah 11% sahaja. Okay. So this is Ben and this is Farid. Boleh? Okay. Last question. There are 40 passengers on a bus. At the next bus stop, 8 passengers get off. Okay. 8 passengers get off, and 18 passengers get on the bus. By applying the concept of proportion, determine the percentage of the passenger who get off compared to the number of passenger originally on the bus. Okay. Kita buat dia punya persamaan dulu. Yang ini original. Dan yang bawah ni percentage kan. Percentage dia mestilah yang total percentage. Okay. Dan ini kita tak tahu kan, determine the percentage. Tak tahu. Yang ini passenger get off the bus. Yang keluar daripada bus. Turun daripada bus. Okay. Right. So macam biasa, kita tahu berapa passenger yang get off kan. Kita ada 8 passenger. Out of 40 passengers equals to X over 100%. 100%. Cintaku. Okay. So now kita buat 800 sama juga dengan 40X. Then you will get the answer X is equals to 20%. Okay, so 20% of the total passengers, which is equivalent to 8 passengers. Okay. Now, what is the ratio of the passenger who get on the bus at the bus stop, get on, compared to new total passenger? Okay, kita tahu mula-mula initially we have 40 passenger kan. Kita ada 40 passenger kat sini. Now, dekat next stop tu 8 keluar, yang masuk 18. Okay. So 40 minus 8 is 32. Then 32 plus 18 kita akan dapat new passenger adalah 50. Okay. So get on yang baru adalah 8 naik to 50. Okay. So again, ratio ni macam fraction. Kita boleh simplifykan dia. So kalau kita nak simplifykan macam biasa, kita buat macam ni. 8/50. You will get the answer 4 to 25. Okay. So if you write like this, also correct. If you write like this, also correct. Okay. Alright, so basically we have completed chapter 4. Tepuk tangan sikit. Okay. So for the next class, we are going to proceed with the next chapter. Okay. So thank you class. Kita akan jumpa lagi di next video. Bye bye.